Hello, and welcome to an Analytics Quick Tour. In this session, we're going to cover exporting data from the UI. There's really two different reasons why we might want to export in two different ways. First, we might have a visual dashboard like we're seeing here that we want to get a visual report back to enable a conversation, look at a summary. Maybe we're going to fire this off to a client quickly. But again, we want a visual export. When we have something like a hardware list, we might want to have a actual spreadsheet that we get back that we can use, filter. Maybe we're heading it over to a different application and we need to ingest it. But either way, different exports based upon the use case that you want. So let's get started with our visual. On this side, we've got this button up in the top right corner said export. So we can export to a PowerPoint or a PDF. Let's just click PDF. Now, as you can see, it's saying, hey, it's downloading in progress. We're creating this report. In a minute or two, we're going to notify you that this download is ready. So in the meantime, you can continue working. You can continue scrolling through different tabs, and it's going to let you know when it's ready, and you can simply click download. So as we navigate this dashboard, we'll see that there's different widgets here that we might want to get the actual spreadsheet of or the individual data. And we'll notice that we've got these three dots and we can do an export here. So if we click here, we'll be able to get into a spreadsheet view. But before we do that, we can see that our download is now ready. So let's go have a look at our visual download and what's there. So when we click our visual download, I'm just going to head over here and open up this PDF. And again, we can see the exact same information, but you'll notice there's 5 pages here. That's because it's also taken every single tab that we have, which is great if we certainly have a visual dashboard. But we know that warranty information in a spreadsheet view that we can't scroll through is not exactly what we need when we want to have a more detailed conversation about all the different devices. So let's close out of that. What we can do is now click our export button here. Again, we got to it by clicking on the individual widget, and we can click on export data. And here we're going to get a summary of this data, and we'll click export. And again, in a second, it's going to grab our data and open it up. And now we have our spreadsheet where we've got all of that same information from there. We've got it now in a spreadsheet view. Again, there's more ways that we can get our data out of analytics. That includes our analytics insights and our analytics compliance packages, which includes direct data access, where you can actually connect to our data and ingest it and pull it into your other data warehouse systems. But we'll cover that in a different video. Thanks again for watching. This is an Analytics Quick Tour. Talk to you soon.